Uh, Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Kumar, and today we will discuss how can we make a quick sale invoice, right? Like there are different type of customers who walk in our at our store, and like everyone is in a hurry, right? So how can we make a quick sale invoice? So I'm presenting my screen. Okay, my screen is visible. Okay. सो लाइक अभी आप लोग सेल इनवॉइस तो बना रहे होगे, राइट? बट किस तरीके से हम लाइक डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज हैं अपने पास जिससे आप जल्दी और अच्छे से सेल इनवॉइस आप अपना मैनेज कर सकते हो, राइट? लाइक like every pharmacy store have different type of customer, right? Like there are two types, one type is someone come at your store and ask for any medicine, like, and go to the home, right? तो दूसरे कस्टमर आते हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि मेरे को सिर्फ इनवॉइस, लाइक मेरे को दूसरे टाइप के कस्टमर होते हैं, बोलते हैं मेरे को सिर्फ इनवॉइस चाहिए। और एक और टाइप के कस्टमर आते हैं, बोलते हैं मेरे को आइटम चाहिए, मेरे को इनवॉइस से लेना देना नहीं है, राइट? तो तो जिनको इनवॉइस नहीं चाहिए उनके लिए हमने काउंटर बिल का ऑप्शन रखा हुआ है। लाइक आप प्रेस ऑल्ट सी एंड सर्च डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेथड। लाइक अगर किसी भी कस्टमर को आप कोई भी मेडिसिन आप सर्च कर रहे हो, राइट? तो डिफरेंट तरीके हैं सर्च करने के। आप ब्रांड का नाम या आइटम का नाम से भी सर्च कर सकते हो। लाइक
Sir,
मैंने
excuse
आपको,
me, please speak in English, sir.
ओके 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 सर। सो सर, like there are different type of customer working at your store, right? One type of customer who is ask for only medicine and go to his home, and second type of customer who ask for bill also, right? So I will discuss first those customer who ask for only medicine or items, right? So you can create sale invoice, just click on the press alt C, right? And search any product like medicine name, like Dolo 650, right? And just click on enter, select the batches, and make the fill the quantity, and fill up the discount whatever you want. If you have already preset your discount at the time of purchase, you can also do I've already set a 10% discount at the time of purchase. So if you want to change, you can also I will set 5%, and uh, I can press Alt S for save bill, and either I can click on the save. Or so first type of method is this, right? And there are second type of customer who want bill, proper bill. So you can click on the sales invoice, and you can ask to the customer like customer name and mobile number. So just click on the mobile number, like I have already 76070. I'm filling my mobile number, and here is the showing name. If you are filling mobile number at first time, then it will ask to the customer details also, right? And just click on the enter, and select doctor name. And so there are different type of search method. Like first of all, you can search with the medicine name, like Zifi 200. So all medicine will be show here, right? And you can select medicine and click it, enter. And so there are second type of, you can also if customer already visited your shop many times, then here is also shown history, right? With the images. So you can also click on the image and also make the bill, right? And third type, if you like image will be show already. If you want to click on the purchase history, that will also show the history, right? And third one is like if you want to if you have a, if you know content name, like some chemist what happened like chemist search the content name at the Google and then type. So you can also click on C and comma and you can fill content name as well, like paracetamol 500. So item will be show here. If you want to if you want to add item like with you can also add item with alias name. You can set in inventory page. uh, you can also search with them, right? And here is a one more search like that is wild search. So no matter what name is, you can if you want, if you know the name like middle name or last name or first three letter of the name, you can also search with this, like click on the star and like I'll search oil, right? So oil is whatever like oil will be in first three letter or last three letter, that will show in your stock, right? So you can also click them and you can make sale invoice, right? So this is a different type. If you are already like if you are using QR code, then you can also search QR code like scan QR code and all detail will be filled automatically, right? So you can make bill. You can search different type of method you can use. And if you want to history of the product, like every product has a like I button. So you can just click on the I button. You can you can check history of your past history from the particular customer. If you just unclick here, you can show the history will show the overall customer. Okay, and you can also check the sale, either purchase also, purchase history and batches details also, right? And here the if you want to check minimum maximum, you are selling in loose or in pack quantity, you can also check stock also. If you want to add this product in like short book, you can just click on here. Okay. So there is a different one more history also, customer history. If you want to check like that customer how many times come at your store, then you can also click on here and you can check customer wise history also.
So there are few more things that I would like to add here. The different searching methods that are given here are given as per the operations at your pharmacy. So if usually at your pharmacy, when the customer asks for a product, you go and pick the product first and then you go to create the invoice. The best method for you to search the products would be the MRP tag method. So after any of your staff has brought the products, you can just look at the first letter of the product and the MRP and just simply type here. That exact product will pop up. You will not have to type the name of the product. The even better solution would be QR codes. So if you are using QR codes, printing them from the system and using QR codes on all of your products, there are a lot of benefits for that. First, you will be able to create your sales invoices much quicker. Second, you can also use that for your purchase returns. Anytime you take out the expiry, then you just use the phone application and scan the barcodes to create a purchase return draft. Other than that, when you are using QR code, it not only fetches the product, but it also fetches the batch. So it reduces the chances of manual errors or any mistakes during the invoicing. The product and the exact batch that you selling to the customer is only going to be recorded in the in sales invoice. So it makes your inventory management more accurate. You will be able to keep your expiry in check and you will also be able to get correct profit, because there is a possibility that different batches might have different MRP or might have different PTR as well, so your margin varies because of that. Another feature here is if you usually deal with walk-in clients and you do not have much clients who want to give you their phone number, so you can just use the cash sales. There are shortcuts available for all of them. You can just use Alt C as a shortcut and your invoices will be created as cash sales. If you have floating counters and walk-in counters, this would be the best option for you. Other than that, if you have any tie-ups with any doctors or nearby clinics, or if you have a hospital attached pharmacy, you can create default doctors here. So you won't have to create or enter a doctor's name every time you're creating a sales invoice. It would be automatic. Rahul sir, you can tell them about the payment mode also.
Okay. So, like, if your chemist already updated already, you can also default. You can set also default payment gateway, like a payment mode. Like if your cash flow is mostly in cash, you can also default as cash. If you have in credit, then you can also set as a credit default payment gateway. You can also set default payment gateway through setting. I will show you. Uh, just go to the dashboard and.
So it will be useful when you have a counter where most of your clients wants to prefer cash as a paying method. So you can set it as default. So the system will not ask you to select a payment mode every time. Of course, once in a while when the customer does not want to pay with cash, you can of course change it, that is there. Same with credit. So if you have different person for selling and picking the product and there is a separate cashier who collects the cash, then there is also a possibility that you can keep your default payment mode as credit. So all of your salespeople will be creating invoices in credit and the cashier will only be using the sales listing page. Rahul sir, can you go to the sales listing page?
Okay.
Your cashier will only be using this screen and he will be updating all of the payments right from here. Then he can also check whether or not which invoice he has collected payment on. Yeah. Can you go to new sales? Another shortcut of searching anything in the system is a master search. So no matter what you want to look up, you can search for a distributor, you can search for a customer, you can look up a product. Can you please do Alt F? So this is a master search. You will find that option everywhere in the system. You just have to use the shortcut of Alt F. You can find any medicine detail, you can find any customer, distributor, B2B customer. You can also see below that there are reports, sales return, everything. So you will not need to leave this page and you can still search anything that you want. Rahul sir, please continue with your default settings.
Okay. So you can also set reminder also, like if you want to set like if I click on the Dolo 650, and if I want to set like there are some customer who forget to take medicine on time, so you can search also, like you can also default as a set pill reminder and refill reminder also. Okay, so you can set from here. Click on the reminder and you can there are the two type of reminder, that is first one is refill reminder and one is pill reminder. So refill reminder is like there are some chronic patient who want to take medicine again and again, like he want to buy again after 10 days, so you can set also here as a 10 days. So if they are using your patient application, then automatically reminder will go to in patient application also, right? And you can also set like pill reminder also, like this medicine need to take half at 8 a.m., one is 1 p.m., and half at 7 p.m. So you can also search, you can also set like this. Okay, and pill reminder also directly automated message will go to the patient application also. Okay.
This will be especially useful when you have really busy counter and you do not have time to set refill reminders on your invoices. What you can do is you can just keep on creating invoices, and then later when you have much time on your hands, you can just click on the invoice, go to more, and then click on refill reminder. Even if you have staff with you, so they will not need any permission to edit any of the invoices, so you can not give them the edit permission, and they can still set refill reminders after the sales is done. And if you are using Sahay, then the refill reminders will be setting automatically. You will not be needing to set any refill reminder.
Okay. If you're like, if your customer is not using patient application, then you can also click on the bell icon, and you can do you can send refill reminder manually through WhatsApp also. Okay, and if you go to the listing page, and if you are want to set like pill reminder, or you can also edit that invoice, you can set refill reminder after, and you can also return that invoice, right? So just you click on the item, uh, and you can also make return also for that invoice, right? So
So
if
this
you
is the
want to add it,
quickest way to
okay.
create any return. You don't have to go to the sales return, type the customer's name, type all the products, select the payment mode. What you can do is you can just try to search the sales invoice for that customer with their name or their phone number. You can just find their invoice and create a return directly from that. Same thing when they have to get a same dosage of their medicines. So again, you can just find that invoice from the listing, open that invoice and reorder the same invoice. It will give you the same sales invoice again.
You can also reorder from here, and if you want to add the quantity, you can also add the quantity, whatever you want. You can save, you can save and print, you can save in WhatsApp, whatever you want. Okay. So if you want to, like I've already told you, like that, if you want to set pre-discount also, you can go to the if you want to like doing purchase, you can also set the, go to listing page, and if you already made purchase invoice, you can just click on the items, and you can also save and location and discount. So you can also pre like set pre defined discount, so automatically discount will apply at the time of sale invoice, right? Like if you have any minimum margin product, so you can also lock the discount. So if your staff want to edit that discount, he will not be able to edit. You can set like this. If you want to lock, you can lock just like this. And if you already like using QR code, you can also print QR from here and just scan at the time of sale. Okay, so you have any doubt till now? Yes, sir.
सर मैंने पहले भी बहुत बार ये क्वेरी डाली है, कस्टमर सर्च करने में सेल इनवॉइस में बहुत इश्यू आ रहा है सर।
Sorry, sir.
लेकिन मैडम बहुत टाइम से ये इश्यू चल रहा है। ठीक है।
Yes, Nitish, sir.
सर मेरा कहना था कि कोई भी कस्टमर का नाम डालने के बाद जो आइटम रहता है वो लास्ट 7 डेज में जो जो ले जाता है वो ही अब दिखाता है, ठीक है। लेकिन मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ लाइफ सेविंग जो ड्रग है, जो डायबिटीज बीपी का जो प्रोडक्ट है महीने में एक ही बार लेता है, तो वो बहुत पीछे चला जाता है सर वो। हम्म। 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 मतलब मेडिसिन लाइफ सेविंग वाला ड्रग तो महीने में एक ही बार जाएगा, उसके बाद तो रेगुलर तो काफी दवाई लेके जाता है, देखो समझो। हाँ। हम्म। हम्म। लेकिन वो तो रीऑर्डर कस्टमर में जाएगा, उसका नाम डालना है, उसका बिल खोलना पड़ेगा कौन सा बिल में है, वो देखने के बाद रीऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा। उसे पता तो 50 बिल होगा तो 50 में कौन सा बिल रीऑर्डर करना है वो तो देखना पड़ेगा ना। ये ऐसा आइडिया नहीं रहता ना मैम कौन सी। अरे ऐसा रेगुलर नहीं होता है कि डेट आज कौन सी डेट है, 25 तारीख है तो 25 तारीख को ही लिया है, ऐसा नहीं रहता, आगे पीछे रहता है। तो वही बिल वही वो दिन में 3 4 5 बिल 6 बिल रहता है, तो कौन सा बिल ओपन करके देखे हम।
यहाँ पे मैं
वो तो नहीं चाहिए ना, फ्रीक्वेंटली लेके जाओ वो सब नहीं चाहिए, लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग वाला ही आना चाहिए, बाकी सब तो रेगुलर तो चलता है। लेकिन जैसे ही नाम डाले ना तो उसका रेगुलर दवाई आना चाहिए। हम्म। हाँ।
मैडम उसका सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, लेकिन उसका सॉल्यूशन यही है, कस्टमर हिस्ट्री हर आइटम की दिखनी चाहिए। फ्रिक्वेंटली बाई प्रोडक्ट जो 50 हम दिखाते हैं वो ऑल प्रोडक्ट्स शुड बी शोन ऑन देयर। सेल्स में भी जब रीऑर्डर का जो इश्यू है वो मिनिमम प्रोडक्ट मतलब लेस देन 10 प्रोडक्ट के लिए है तो सही मॉडल है हमारा। लेकिन इफ कस्टमर इज बाइंग more than 10 products very frequently, then there is no reorder model working for us. Yes, because now, yes, 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 nowadays chronic patient have at least 12 to 16 medicine in a single prescription, and the patient have 2 3 doctors, so they are frequently buying in a month 20 to 25 product for a one patient, and if there are two patients, then 50 items are minimum for a single patient.
एग्जैक्टली।
So yes, we
यस।
can practically later on a personal call basis. So it will be better to understand for you also. Yeah, sure.
Is there any other question?
Yes, and one thing you said, Mr. Rahul Kumar,
Yes, sir.
about pill reminder.
Yes, sir.
So pill reminder work for that particular patient only or for that pill only?
Sir, like
If
if you
if
want,
we if,
yes,
if we have kept a reminder for Dolo 650 twice a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. So for each patient, for Dolo item, reminder will be there, or for whichever patient it has been kept for that patient only.
okay. Sir, like if you are setting pill reminder at the time of sale, right?
Yes.
So that will apply for only particular customer. But if you want to go to the inventory page and you can search Dolo here, 500. Okay. And you can set from here. That
Yes.
will apply for all customer.
Okay. Is that clear? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
working like that only?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, so it's up. So there's an autofill reminder for Sahai.
How
So
it works?
it usually suggests the pill reminder there itself. It is for refill actually, not pill.
Yes.
So it calculates the dosage that you're giving in the sales invoice to the customer, and then according to that, it sets a refill reminder. And with Sahai as well, that customer will also be getting calls for that refill whenever their dosage ends.
So you are saying if customer is buying every 7 days same medicine, so Sai will calculate its doses on that basis,
No, the quantity that you have written in the sales invoice.
and the dose will be calculated on what basis? Twice a day, or thrice a day, or once a day?
Yeah, so if you are giving him 10 tablets, so it would calculate
Yeah.
in how much time the 10 tablets will be he must be consuming.
Okay. Okay. If he is consuming within 5 days, so it will calculate as twice a day.
Yeah, if you have that kind of pill reminder set, then yeah.
Is it there in the
Krishnakant
setting?
sir,
Can you show
yeah,
us?
are you currently using Sahai?
Yeah.
So what I will do is I will have Janvi help you with that.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir. Is there any other question? Otherwise, we can wind up.
And one more thing you said, Mr. Rahul Kumar, about default dollar setting. How it works?
Neelam, ma'am?
Okay, so the default dosage that is in inventory,
No,
it is for the
no,
pill
not
reminders.
doses.
So
Sorry, it is not about doses. It is about doctor. Default doctor setting for a particular
default
customer.
doctor set. Okay, Rahul sir, can you please go to the doctor listing in more section? You will be able to create maximum of 3 default doctors. At the right hand side, you will be able to say set default doctor. Here you can just search for the correct doctor and then just add them as a default doctor. So they will pop up every time you will be creating an invoice.
But this will be applied to each and every bill. Actually, default
Each and
doctor should be
every
assigned to
invoice.
a particular. Yes. Uh, if I set default doctor as Dr. Rahul Kumar, then for each and every bill there will be a Dr. Rahul Kumar.
Yes, so if you're looking for a default doctor for a patient, so you will not be able to set default doctor, but what the system will do once you have created an invoice with that doctor's name as reference with a customer, so it would be shown in the suggestions.
Yeah, suggestions there are. It's very messy doctors list. Actually, it should be allowed by the chemist to edit doctor list, which has been created by that particular chemist. That list. Because I am working at Mumbai, and I am getting doctor from Rani, and doctor from Ahmedabad, doctor from Nagpur.
Actually, sir, it is same as the distributor master, so it's completely centralized currently.
Yeah, actually it should be geofence. If I want to select that particular doctor from Ahmedabad only, then I can find and put as that doctor. Otherwise, it should be geofence.
Okay, we will make sure to pass on that feedback as well.
Yeah, and doctor master should be editable by a chemist, which
So
doctor has
that
been
that
created
is
by that
that is
particular
just like
chemist.
distributor master. So currently you're not able to edit any distributor information. Just
That
like
I
that, we
understand,
have the
but in
doctor master
doctor,
on the centralized level.
no. It is not complete doctor master. It's just name, which is if I create new doctor by Mr. Rahul Kumar, that's it. There is no address of the doctor. There is no registration, no qualification, nothing. Dr. Rahul Kumar will live long last as a doctor, but there is no detail about him. And if I have 2, 3 Dr. Rahul Kumar, then it is very confusing which doctor is been assigned to him. And the patient are complaining for it.
Currently you're not able to edit any doctor's detail that you previously set if you did not enter any address or anything like that. I know that you're not able to edit that and enter any address or area or anything.
Yeah. If I got
We
a
will
new
pa-
prescription,
yeah, we will
yeah,
pass
what right
on,
now we are doing,
the feedback.
what problem we are facing right now, that I just want to pass on to you. If I got a new prescription from a patient, I need to snap it first to get the details of the doctor. And at the time of giving bill to the patient, I keep it blank. Then I generate a doctor properly. I have to edit that bill and reprint it.
Okay, so there are no mistakes in the when you're creating a new doctor. Is that so?
Yes,
Okay.
it should be like while creating all the details as we are creating a patient, it should be like doctor only. It cannot be edit someone else created doctor by other chemist, that I understand. But if I creating a new doctor, permission should be allowed to edit it later on also.
So that is what I was saying, that because it is on the centralized level, currently we are unable to edit it. But I think adding the address option is there when you're creating a new doctor. Rahul sir, can you please go to the doctor listing again?
डॉक्टर लिस्टिंग पेज ना
Yeah, just create a new doctor from the sales invoice. Just enter any doctor. Look, sir, while you are creating a doctor, you are able to add all of these details. But later on, when you already have created a doctor, then you are not able to edit it. So I would suggest you to just fill up all of the details while you're creating a new doctor.
That is what we are doing right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Hanish, sir, you have a question.
एक्चुअली डोजेज रिमाइंडर और रिफिल रिमाइंडर डोजेज सेटिंग कैसे करते हैं? मतलब मैंने जहाँ मतलब इनवॉइस में देखा तो वो एरो है मगर वो क्लिकेबल नहीं होती हैं.
You have to use the
मतलब how to
navigation
set the
keys
dosage?
you have to use the navigation keys of your keyboard for that. Keyboard पे navigation
मैंने वो
up
भी ट्राई
down.
करके देखा मगर होता नहीं. एक बार आप वो करके
Yes,
दिखाएंगे
Rahul
मुझे
sir,
यहाँ पर
can you please add a fill reminder?
स्क्रीन पर?
सर आप एक और क्वेश्चन
मतलब
प्लीज
इन द
रिपीट
सेंस
करेंगे
कीबोर्ड नहीं दिखेगा मगर स्क्रीन पर कैसे?
आप
आप
सेल के
उनको
सेल्स टाइम पे
हाँ
बात कर रहे हो सेल के टाइम पे कैसे ऐड करते हैं
एक्चुअली जैसे डोलो है
ओके
वो दिन में नहीं वो जो आपके मॉर्निंग
सर आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है
आफ्टरनून इवनिंग डोजेज होती है ना, वो सेटिंग कैसे करते
हाँ हाँ केवल आपको
हैं? मतलब मेडिसिन कैसे लेनी है सुबह दोपहर शाम, वो जो एडिट वो सेटिंग है ना वो.
जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द सेट रिमाइंडर
During making a sale invoice, we want to set the dosage. Different thing. Okay, you have shown the screen. What I am asking is this 8 a.m., 1 p.m., 7 p.m., 10 p.m. How to set this? Okay.
सर जस्ट
आप इसे हाँ 3 टाइम्स अ
अप
डे
या
कर सकते
डाउन,
हैं, जैसे 8 AM 7 PM एंड ओके।
जिसको भी आपको
एक्चुअली
सर
ये
सर
जो
सर
है सेल इनवॉइस,
जिसको भी आपको
हाँ
नहीं सेट करना है उसको आप 0 छोड़ सकते हो। अदरवाइज आप यहाँ पे इसको अप और डाउन, ये जो की होती है ना कीबोर्ड वाली, उनसे करके आप इसको सेट कर सकते हो।
ओके, कीबोर्ड वाली की से।
राइट
ओके
राइट।
ठीक है। अच्छा मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, ये सेल्स इनवॉइस बनने के बाद भी कर सकते हैं अब?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल सर कर सकते हैं। लाइक आपको लिस्टिंग पेज पे जाना है, राइट?
हेलो
यस सर, yes sir, you
हेलो
can do, just go to the listing page and
ओके,
just select the item
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ,
and click on the set refill reminder.
ओके ओके, तो जैसे पेशेंट पेशेंट आया,
Honey,
उसने
sir, your
मेडिसिन
voice is breaking a lot.
ले
It's
ली,
hard to make
हमने
up of what
इनवॉइस
you're saying.
भी क्रिएट कर दिया, उसके बाद जो है सेल्स इनवॉइस
Sir,
में
your
जाकर अगर
voice
हम
is breaking.
सेटिंग चेंज करते हैं ये डोसेज इंस्ट्रक्शंस की, तो वो क्या उसकी ईवाइटल ऐप में अपडेट हो जाएंगी अपने आप?
Honey, sir, if you're trying to ask whether you apply the pill reminders here and will they get a notification for that,
ओके, मैं
then
टाइप
yes,
कर
they will.
देता
Yes,
हूँ।
they will get a push notification of their pill reminders and refill reminders as well if
जिससे
they have
आपको
the
थोड़ा
eVital
इजी रहे।
patient app.
Just check the in-call messages. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, is there any other question or we can wind up? Neelam ma'am?
Hello.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Sir, I have a doubt. When we are doing bills, no, if we want to see the previous history of the bill, only we can see the purchase history and only we can see in the bell icon, icon.
Okay.
But we cannot find all the medicines what they have purchased last month. How can we see easily in this?
Do you want to see item wise history or
One customer is
wise?
calling in the phone and they are asking, we want to repeat the last, but exit one or two medicines like that. They are asking means how can we do that easily?
Okay. So ma'am, like if you have if customer remember the like bill number, or you can also find from the filter. Like suppose Rahul Kumar is calling you and ask for the bill, so you can ask the bill number or any date or any other like mobile number also, so you can find the bill and just click on the reorder.
But most of them, they are not saying the last date bill or time or whatever it may be.
Okay.
Just they are calling and asking, ordering the medicines. They are asking, last month medicine, please repeat and give me.
So-
They are
so
saying,
there is-
we have only the customer's phone number only we have. We are not having any other authorization.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can
So
either
if you
use
have
the
any
purchase
mobile
history
phone number,
that
you can.
Yes, ma'am.
you can either use the purchase history that is available on the
Hello.
sales screen. Are you able to hear me? Rahul, sir, am I audible?
Yes, I am able to hear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can either use the purchase history that is there in the screen, but if they are buying more other products as well frequently, then there is a possibility that you might be seeing other products
Hello.
here in the history. What else you can
Okay.
do is you can go to the customer's profile by using more customer and then just open their profile. There is a history there which is more detailed. So you can find out the products that they get from you using that.
Like that.
But this we have to go into a long process, no? In the sales icon itself, we cannot see easily and immediately, yeah?
No, you
In a
can
faster
definitely
process.
see that there is a purchase history available on the sales screen itself.
How, ma'am? How we can be?
Ma'am, if you have any, if you have mobile number for that customer, you can just click. You can just fill here, and you can just click on the purchase history.
That yes.
Order history.
This we do already, sir. But in this,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, now we can hear you.
In this purchase history, how we can repeat this? Can you say me repeat me again?
Rahul sir, please click on purchase history and also show them the pictures below.
Ma'am, here you can only see the item name.
Item name, yes.
Yes, yes, and you can like enter here, and you can create a bill.
No, the purchase history right on the screen.
This one, no.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, you can use this history and this will show you the products that they buy from you very frequently. You can also
Okay.
see that there are images below the
Images
screen. So
at the bottom, yes,
those
we
are
are
the
seeing.
same products that they buy from you very frequently. You can click on them and that medicine will be added in the bill.
Okay. No. We know all these ideas, ma'am. What I'm asking is, in this, they are buying 10 products last month, but now they are asking 7 products only. Hello?
So do you mean those products are not included in this list?
Yes.
Okay. So we were just discussing previously as well about this, and we will be passing on that feedback, and if there is any update, we will definitely let you know.
Okay. But at the spot, on the time, we cannot see the last month bill on the sales invoice icon.
You will need to find that in particular invoice and create a complete reorder currently.
Okay.
Or you can use the customer history page.
Customer history or purchase history.
Detailed customer history, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Madam, there is a problem also in finding bills. If I find bills and there are 3 different bills, I cannot repeat the same items. I can only repeat only one bills item.
Yes, understood.
So only solution is there should be a history, entire history of the patient. And there should be 3 columns. One is previously purchased, current stock, and current requirement. Just we can elaborate all the products name. Customer will say, I require these 3, these 2, this 1, 2, whatever quantity, just mention it in that and save it. That's it. It will be the fastest billing system.
Sure, sir. We would be passing on that feedback, and if there is any update, we would definitely let you know.
Yeah, thank you.